Mar Jerem is good that I guessed gan e vronna and a gasser. Agus na derto well Jerem with the sheriff is trochailge that taucht baint le is survey his survey Spain and oski nege van geld gan fobbel. Kom a while of gail gewakomach she eiske wako. Agus ní fistom to more an tishmori sa tira a bachanai gum runti in Ashke a go gasure. Agus ní leske le behegul to General Diella is fed an daro diana.
Thanks, Deputy. If my answer was unclear, I certainly didn't mean to give the impression that I'm de-emphasising one in favour of the other. What I was trying to say was that we place an emphasis on both. And in terms of assisting the provision of services in Irish and through Irish, we are absolutely committed to that, and well, specifically to the 5-year action plan and indeed to the 20-year strategy that you refer to. We've tried to be very, very practical in our supports through to the most basic things of communications like press releases, websites, posters and so on.
But like the Kuramamu account for Rodna for Mish account for Neilana agus Neon Ray Berla Kins Braga Oguk agus Taki the Huggenship Hope Shoot Maskan Gailga Kuristahan Mar Quidkin Tajkin to Tar 5 or her shoot.
And taken to on Kest, Stoga will me Hishkin Tigest, Ta and Chakti Kurkestik, a Gosolir, a Gro, Kane sort. Plan no cén sort gníomhaíochtaí atá agah maidir fud na tíre log maidir le níonraí ó híomh na Gaeilge a normalú. And taken to?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand the question. I mean, I think it's true to say that what we have been trying to do is make Irish friendly throughout the system, irrespective of whether the area is Irish speaking, a Gaeltacht area or a non-Gaeltacht area, and we're very, very open to that. So nothing in my response is meant to imply otherwise. We would be more than open to supporting that in any way we can, and part of that is simply making the language Irish friendly, and that's why I was referring to things like the most basic things like the communications, the leaflets, the posters and all of that, but I think it's wider than that. Yes, well, what I'm saying is that we're trying to create an Irish language friendly situation, whether the service is based in English or based in Irish. And we have made, I think, good progress in relation to providing some of those supports, particularly making it the easier choice for services to deliver their services through Irish, and that's why I mentioned the things that I did.
Peter, good for Hogum is grieving. And Spraga agus an Takiocht, the Huggenship Gneilana agus Neilria to final to Verla le Gaige bear mar chud gan Tajkin to Taka because we're Yosmuitishin by Midanan chapter Rasha be reached.